I hired a hitman on Craigslist to kill my Wi-Fi. Every time I try to sleep, my Wi-Fi whispers to me. Not metaphorically. Literally. It says things like, one more YouTube short won't hurt. What if you Google your ex? Reddit drama is your therapy. I couldn't take it anymore. So I hired a guy named SkullDaddy69 on Craigslist. Said he specializes in unplugging problems. He shows up wearing night vision goggles and a cape made of Ethernet cables. Kicks down the door. Sees the router. Whispers, "You've haunted enough souls, demon." Then he stabs it with a USB stick. I clapped. And then my smart fridge whispered, "You're next."